Good day, good morning to you all. Good morning from London at around 10:30 on Friday morning. I thought I would do this quick live chat because of the last 2 days I've been teaching the Marma therapy science to one of my students, and it was a private lesson. But then during that time, a few things came up in terms of what exactly Marma Abhyanga is and how does it help. So just before I go for my work for today, I'm doing consultations and treatments for today. I thought I would do a quick live chat just to give you a few pointers in terms of Marma Abhyanga. The way I usually explain it to my clients is that just the way, at least out here in UK, we call it MOT, which is like the full testing of your car. And usually we say, oh yes, I need to get my MOT for my car done. So that is how I usually explain Marma therapy to everyone. I say that just the way you've got MOT for your car, we have Marma therapy or Marma Abhyanga for our bodies and for everyday well-being and health. You will see that at least over here, when we get MOTs for car done, we get it done every year, every 6 months, depending upon what it is. Likewise, in Ayurveda also, we say that for best optimum health, also to help improve any kind of conditions, illnesses, correct them, cure them, or even to help maintain health. In Ayurveda, we have suggested that a person receives a full body Marma Abhyanga once every 6 weeks. And yes, there is a reason for 6 weeks, because it is over those 6 weeks, you will see that we say tissue changes, dhatu parinam, tissue changes. That means all the tissues get rejuvenated every 6 weeks. All the old tissue can get removed out from the body and new tissues are formed. So in that way, even getting a full body Marma Abhyanga once every 6 weeks is really good. So just the way you will get your car repaired every now and then, because you need your car to travel from A to B. Likewise, it is very important that your body receives Marma Abhyanga or Marma massage, full body Marma Abhyanga, so that because for us, our body is a vehicle, and it is only through this body that we are able to do everyday works, tasks, jobs, even through our 5 sensory functions, because it is a part of the body. And hence the body also needs to be cleansed once every 6 weeks. And of course, doing Marma Abhyanga, I'm using the classical term rather than saying Marma massage, but yes, Marma Abhyanga, best is to go to a therapist. If you do know any Ayurvedic therapists who live locally close to you, to receive the treatment or therapy. Yes, do bear in mind that in Ayurveda, we do talk about self-care, self-love. We say Swayam Abhyanga, that means self-massage. Yes, that is good. But on a daily basis, 10-15 minutes of self-massage is good. But then when we're doing Marma Abhyanga or Marma therapy, it is important to go to a therapist, because then they will know how to take care of various Marma points on the body, or also how to actually approach if there are any imbalances, any kind of blockages too. So yeah, the reason why I'm doing this chat is because I was teaching about Marma Abhyanga to one of my students, and all such information came up as to how often, why, and also why the reason why to do Marma Abhyanga regularly. And that is also of course, in Ayurveda we do call Shirodhara as a king of all the treatments, because it is a signature treatment in Ayurveda. And yes, it is really good, but even sometimes better than that, to help maintain health on a more regular basis, full body Marma massage or Marma Abhyanga works really well, because Marma Abhyangas help to get rid of any kind of blocked toxins, ama from Marma points. Marma Abhyanga also helps to cleanse out any the nadis channels if there are any blockages. But Marma Abhyanga then also helps to stimulate or regulate prana, which is of course life force, life energy in the body, but overall also helps to stimulate immune system. So one other thing, if any practitioners, therapists are listening, do bear in mind Marma Abhyangas are really good in specific conditions. And what are those? These are conditions like your autoimmune illnesses, then any kind of chronic illnesses, chronic conditions, then even cancer-related illnesses. Of course, cancer-related illnesses, then we need to bear in mind if they are on chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and so on. But again, in that, it becomes a part of what is called as cancer support therapy. But even otherwise, it's not that you have to be suffering from an illness or disease, but even otherwise, Marma Abhyanga is good for anyone, everyone, to help maintain health. So next time you're thinking of an Ayurvedic massage, next time you're thinking of that, thinking, oh, what is the next massage I should receive if you're going to be going to a therapist, think about Marma massage, Marma Abhyanga. And I promise you, more often you receive Marma Abhyanga, it literally helps to rejuvenate your tissues, body, mind, emotions. Marma Abhyanga works on all various levels. Okay, so that was a very quick chat for you to know a bit about Marma Abhyanga and Marma massage. And do think about it rather than the usual Abhyangas or Shirodharas or your foot massages, hand massages. Next time, try something different, something unique. But it's not just about being unique or different, but trying something through which you will see a change. You will see health improvement, because that is what is needed. Okay, so that was my quick chat for today about Marma Abhyanga, Marma massages to be received once every 6 weeks if you are at all able to. Anyway, have a great day on your side. It's Friday over here. It is last day of the week, and before I start it is quite a busy day. I'm doing consultations, I'm doing therapies, I'm doing Akshitarpana, I'm doing an eye treatment for one of my clients. Then I'm also going to be recording some sessions for an online course that I do. So that is what is my plan for today. Okay, anyway, so have a great day on your side, and do watch this video again if you've missed it, because it was very impromptu, very quick. And anyway, so MOT for your car and Marma Abhyanga for your body. Remember that as a motto or a tagline. Have a great day on your side. Take care. Bye.